I was just thinking the same thing.
So North Alabama, no stranger, of course, as we well know, to powerful storms. But wait till you see this.
Well, the sky actually turned green over Sioux Falls, South Dakota before severe weather slammed the area. This was yesterday. Scientists believe this happens when thunderstorms coincide with ambient red light, like a sunrise or set. The storm also brought strong winds, knocking over trucks on the highway. Thankfully, nobody was hurt from that, but that is spooky. There's those trucks that got knocked over.
That's even scarier, yeah.
Pay attention to the skies. At least I do here in North Alabama, especially with those tornadoes. I'm like,
so
what's the sky telling me?
There's a saying, and I can't remember how it goes, about red, when the sky is red.
Something about a sailor?
Yeah. But green, Carson, green, is that a common reminder to get it indoors?
Oh, 100%, guys. And sometimes also that green sky can be because of perhaps a tornado forming or very, very large hail. We're talking baseball, softball size hail. Obviously, we don't see that kind of hail here in North Alabama very often, but if you ever do see green skies like they saw in South Dakota last night, well, that's your warning to get inside. Right now, though, here at 11:48 on the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network, we continue to see more of those very spotty downpours developing. Right now, they're confined to our southern Tennessee counties for the most part. See things in motion over the last hour, how these storms have kind of bubbled up in Wayne, Lawrence, and Giles counties in Tennessee. One downpour is about to move through downtown Florence. Quad Cities, heads up. You're heading out for lunch. Might have a heavier downpour going right through town over the next 30 minutes or so. And we will keep that chance for those hit and miss storms around all afternoon. So watch the skies if you're going to be out by the pool today, and just make sure you stay cool. 99 degrees. That is your actual forecast high temperature. Remember, we hit 100 in Huntsville yesterday, and it's not out of the question to see that again. But the main concern is going to be what it feels like. We will see those heat index values as high as 110 for the next 3 days. So if you are going to be working outside today, drink plenty of water and really just head inside every 10 to 15 minutes if you possibly can. If you want to head out to Toyota Field this evening, Rocket City Trash Pan is back in action against the Chattanooga Lookouts. It will still be very hot at first pitch at 6:35. We'll have some storms around as well, so we could have a delayed start for that game tonight, but those storms will fade past sunset, and I think we'll get 9 innings of baseball in at some point tonight, but still very warm by the 7th inning, hovering near 87. Past, let's say, 8 or 9 o'clock tonight. Well, here's your feels like forecast. Take your pick. Find your city. It feels like 109 in Huntsville, 106 in the Shoals. This is for 3 o'clock this afternoon, by the way. And we will see this pattern repeat itself every single day through at least Friday. That's when the excessive heat warnings and heat advisories are set to expire for now. But look what happens on Saturday. Still seeing those triple-digit heat index values. So it's not out of the question to see those warnings and advisories extended another 24 hours into the weekend. Here's future radar for today. Again, we'll have some of those pop-up storms around through the afternoon. They're gone past sunset tonight. Not expecting severe weather, but some gusty winds can't be totally ruled out. And we'll keep that storyline going for your Thursday as well with more of those pop-up storms. By Saturday, though, we have a cold front. Now, it's a weak cold front, but it is going to give us our best chance for widespread rain that we have seen in weeks. And fortunately, our rainfall forecast has gone up, maybe 1 to 2 inches of rain on Saturday. But you see on future radar, those storms will be with us throughout the day on Saturday. So make sure you have some indoor backup plans ready to go. If you had any outdoor festivities planned, that again for Saturday. But as you look at the 7-day, yes, there's a cold front moving through technically, but there's not much of a cool down next week. We will still be in the low to mid 90s.